What is up, everybody? Tech by John back again with another unboxing. This is not as prestigious and as big and as expensive as the last one, obviously. This is simply a Microsoft mouse, a wireless mouse. It's a Sculpt Comfort Mouse. So some of you who saw my last video, and if you didn't, I'd say go check it out. If you saw my last video, I basically got a Dell XPS 15 for work when I travel. I do have a desktop at home, custom built one. But when I travel, so I need a mouse. I need a wireless mouse to travel with. Anyways, I'm gonna get into the unboxing right away. I won't keep anyone waiting. So Sculpt Comfort. And let's see, this was about, I think, $40 Canadian, so maybe like $30 US, approximately. Using my Spectacle, by the way, my trusty Spectacle that I use. Yeah. Being very careful not to cut my desk, because it has happened before. There you go. And then we pop this up. Not the nicest looking mouse, not the coolest, no RGB lights, but definitely had really good reviews online. So, and it was cheap. So let's see how it's called. Some documentation, some more documentation. Gotta toss that aside. Oh, okay. Included batteries, not long lasting, Duracell. All right. I'm gonna pop that open. And then here's the mouse. Also, most wireless mouses without a USB kind of looking receiver, or repeater receiver, I believe it's called. Without that, I want it without that because my laptop only has USB-C ports. It's okay. It's not too big. It's quite small at first touch. I have pretty big hands, to be fair. That's how it fits. Maybe I can show you a comparison to the last mouse. It does feel comfortable though. And there's a button here. Apparently this is a slider as well. I'm not sure what it can be configured to, but that could be cool. Obviously, oh, it seems like you have the side motion of the actual scroll wheel. Scroll, it feels all right. It's glossy black, so it's gonna get fingerprints. So here you have Bluetooth connection on, off, and a sensor. Feels pretty comfortable. A big factor, as I said, was the quietness of the mouse. When I'm in public, when I'm staying at people's places, when I travel, so I'm not always in a hotel and sometimes I stay at my friends' places or family. I don't want to be annoying by clicking a million times while I'm working. So just give you a comparison, maybe I can show you the mouse. I mean, one of the cheaper mouses I have. This is the Cooler Master mouse, wired. It's alright, it's pretty good actually, but it's very simple. It's a bit larger, I find, but looking at it from a perspective here, doesn't look like it's much larger, just a slight bit here, and I believe that it is taller. I don't know if you can see. Oh, did I pull it off, or? Anyways. So yeah, here's this one. Like I said, not the nicest looking mouse. It is Microsoft, it is glossy, but it is quite comfortable, to be honest. And where I guess that is where you put the batteries in, one on each side. So let's see how that works. That's kind of weird. It's a bit loose. I don't know if that's normal, but I guess I'll find out. Maybe I got a defective product. It's a bit loose. I don't know if you could hear that. When I click, I kind of feel at the back. So yeah, I have big hands, so it's hard for me to find easy to use portable wireless mouses that I can travel with and still be comfortable. But this seemed to, for a decent price, so this seemed to be a good option. We'll see how it is. Definitely more comfortable than the Magic Mouse, the Apple Magic Mouse, which isn't even that good. I heard that it works well, especially for work purposes, not for gaming or anything like that. So we'll see how that goes. Let me know if you guys have any other suggestions in terms of a mouse that I can get, or a wireless mouse that I can get. I'm thinking of getting the new MX, Logitech MX Vertical, I believe it's called. It's more flat, and I think that's the natural position of our hands when we're at the desk, which is flat like this, not like that. like that. So if I get that, I will definitely do an unboxing on that. We'll see, maybe I'll get it for Christmas. Anyways, so that's it. If you guys want a review on this mouse, please comment down below, like this video, and comment that you want to see a review. I usually mostly do unboxings, as you can see by my other videos, which you can go through later. But if you want more reviews, which I haven't really gotten to, I know some people want a review of the XPS 15, some people want a review of, I actually don't remember which video it was, but there was a few videos where people asked for reviews. I need to get to that. If you want a review for this, let me know and I'll get it done. Aside from that, that's it. The video is over. You've made it through. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, obviously short, please like and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. And otherwise, comment what you want me to change, what you want me to do different, and I'll be more than happy to. I like doing this. It's fun for me, and I'll keep doing it. So yeah, thank you. Thank you everyone for watching. No matter what, enjoy, whether it's the morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time of day it is, middle of the night, doesn't matter. Enjoy it. Life is short. Life can end like that. So make sure you fucking enjoy it to the fullest, and I'll be back with another video hopefully in a couple weeks. Thank you, and have a great time, everybody.